you're rolling over really too quick. I wanted to make that last a little longer on your tummy. Hey guy. Hi there, sweet peas. You got the hiccups? You want to kick? Kick around? Here, I want to put you on your tummy again. Here, you want to go back on your tummy? Back on your tummy. You can do it. Hang out on your tummy. Hang out on your tummy. Hi there, sweetie. Say, look at my good neck control. Yes, yes, look at my good neck control, everybody. Oh, and then I like to roll over sometimes. Maybe. I gotta kick that foot over. Kick the foot over. Kick it. Kick it if you want it. Yeah. Good stuff, Bonnie. You're doing a great job. Alrighty. You still got the hiccups. Yeah. Yes, you want to talk? Even though you got the hiccups? Oh yeah. Good stuff. Yeah. Well, we're having a good time today. Good stuff. Say hello. Yeah.